Right that.
What up YouTube? In today's video we're going to be going over how to do an Adelia on MW2 or IW4X. You can do this on the IW4X client or you can do it on console MW2, whichever one you want. It's a really creative trick shot to try to go for. It's really simple to do as well. So if you just follow these step by step, you should be able to get it. Comment below in the comment section if you guys have any video you want me to watch where you actually hit the Adelia. Really excited to see what you guys can do. I do upload every single Sunday on YouTube, so please drop a subscription. That would be amazing. I also stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 4:30 to 7:30. Come on over there, let's chat it up. Let's get to the video. All right, so for my class, I'm just gonna pick intervention, Desert Eagle. Really doesn't matter, but mainly we're just gonna be focusing on the intervention sniper rifle. To do the Adelia, all you really have to do is make sure that you have at least one bullet missing from your clip. You're just gonna reload and sprint. That's literally it. Just reload and sprint, but it's a timing thing. So it's kind of like the timing with a knack. It's like with a knack, you reload and press Y at a certain time. Same thing with an Adelia, except instead of hitting Y, you're gonna sprint. So I'm just gonna like stand and look at this wall and show you guys. So if I reload and sprint, it looks like that, right? So that's not the Adelia. You'll be able to tell when you get the Adelia because the animation of the sniper is gonna happen like a lot faster, like that. That's an Adelia. Let me enable my controller overlay. You guys can like kind of look at that controller overlay and see the timing on when I'm sprinting. See, I didn't get it there. You'll be able to tell when you get it. Like that right there. That was the Adelia. So I was looking at the wall just so I didn't like sprint and fall off this map because oil rig hates me and I literally fall off this map every time. Hit this shit. I fell. I told you. Dude, oil rig, L. Big L. So we're gonna go ahead and try to hit this in a trick shot. I don't know what kind of combination I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna kind of freestyle it. But the beginning of the shot's where I'm gonna do the Adelia. Let's try to see if I can do it. I guarantee I fall off, but imagine I hit that first try. I don't even think I got the Adelia. Yeah, it's just like a timing thing. You got to really make sure that you hit that sprint button at the right time for the Adelia to actually happen. But yeah, just practice, practice, practice. You guys will get it eventually. It just takes a lot of time and practice, basically. I had it right there, but the shot was off. Where are these bots at? Oh my god, see, I fell. I didn't even get the Adelia. I told you, dude, oil rig hates me, man. Jeez.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
So if you guys don't subscribe to Top Boys on YouTube, go drop her a sub as well. Just look up Top Boys on YouTube, that's all it is. Oh my god, that was so clean. What? That would have been so crazy if I would have hit that. I'm just kind of freestyling here. Another almost hit. You love to see it. I don't even know if I got the Adelia there or not, but hey, run it up. Oh, that was it right there. You could tell when I get the Adelia. Oh! All right, that's weird. Oh, we hit. I don't know. Did I get the Adelia? Please tell me I got the Adelia. I think I failed the Adelia. Of course I hit it without the Adelia though. Run it up, W Bill. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my god, another almost hit, bro. There it is. This is how you guys do an Adelia. We finally hit it. It wasn't the greatest, but hey, it's just for a YouTube video, barrel stuff. All right, so we finally hit the Adelia. We got like 10, 12, 14 almost hits. I don't even know. I'm not sure if I'm gonna even put all the almost hits in the video because it'll be a really long video. But that 50 meter almost hit at the beginning blew my mind. I can't believe that happened. I really wish I would have hit. This shot that I did hit was barrel stuff, I know, but it's just a YouTube video, so it doesn't really matter. Maybe in the future I'll hit an Adelia where it's really distant. But for now, that's how you guys do an Adelia. If this video helped, please drop a like, comment, subscribe. Please follow me on Twitch as well. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 4:30 to 7:30 US Eastern time. I upload on YouTube every Sunday at 2 p.m. So please drop a subscription here too. Would really appreciate it. But thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Oh my God! god, that was so clean.